G'day guys, welcome to Kitchen Treaties. Today we're making this really easy sticky date pudding with toffee sauce, or I think in some countries they call it sticky toffee pudding, but in Australia it's definitely sticky date pudding, so my recipe, my way. So the first thing we're going to do is soak 250 grams of dates in 180 mils of boiling water and then add a teaspoon of bicarb soda, which thanks to Google I know is a leavening agent which will essentially make sure the puddings rise and nice and soft and moist. So I'm going to mix them all together and then just let that sit for 10 minutes. So after they've been sitting there for 10 minutes, I'm then going to put them into my food processor. To this, I'm going to add 3 really rough tablespoons of dark rum. I don't know why I'm obsessed with adding it to like caramelly toffee type recipes. It tastes so good. And then half a cup of brown sugar as well. I'm also going to add 75 grams of butter. I don't know if anyone else experiences this satisfaction when they get the exact amount, but you can see it's really exciting. And I just realized that's the second go that I got on. It's not even the first go. I don't know why I got so excited over that. Anywho, I'm then just going to process them until they're just combined. To this, I'm then going to add 2 eggs and 3/4 of a cup of self-raising flour. Then gonna process that again until just combined. And that's it. Pretty all in one. Then you can just add it to your greased muffin tray. I've got a 12 one here that I've greased with butter. And then just divide equally between the holes, which I have not done. You can see how messy I've been. I feel like on all the baking shows, they have those like cookie scoop things that they use, but I could not be bothered. I just evened it out at the end. And to be honest, they all came out pretty evenly anyway. I would know because I'm in isolation and I pretty much ate all of these myself. But I put it in for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius fan forced. And as you can see, they come out pretty even despite my heavy hand putting them in. So whilst they're cooling for a minute, I'm going to make the toffee sauce. Just on a low heat, I'm going to melt 150 grams of butter, add 1.5 cups of brown sugar, and then of course, again, 3 tablespoons of dark rum, because I like rum flavor and everything. You can admit that if you're not a fan. And then a cup of cream. So I'm going to bring that to the boil. This is a pretty thin base pan, like El Cheapo, that I think I got from Kmart, so I don't need to put it on high heat, but either way, bring it to the boil and cook it for 10 minutes. Who doesn't love a good Thai latte? But anyway, I am just going to let the sauce cool for a few minutes before serving, which will let it thicken up and also let no one burn their tongue. So here's the final product. I'm going to serve it with some cream, or more traditionally you could use ice cream, of course, and half a date on top to make it look pretty. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my video. And also look at how soft and moist they come out thanks to that leavening agent that we referenced earlier. But I'll see you guys again next time. Thanks again.